Okay, welcome. Today we have an exciting new video to share. So a while ago I ordered a Mirabox video streaming box. So it's a lot like the Elgato or the Elgato HD60 or the HD60 Plus, I think. And it basically allows you to stream from any device to your computer or unit, however you wanted to do that. So I wanted to try it out, but the problem is the Elgato is like $170, and for what I was going to be doing, I just didn't want to spend that kind of money initially and not like it or not really be able to use it, things like that. So, little baby steps when you're getting into a lot of these processes. And so I ordered, this was a Miracast, and I wanted to see what it does and how it works, and if I can do what I wanted to do with it. Ultimately, my goal is to be able to do streaming from my Xbox or PlayStation and my PC from one platform instead of having to do it broadcast from the Xbox, broadcast from the PlayStation, have a unified platform. So it arrived today, which is really cool. It's been a month or so. It came from China. I didn't know that it came from China when I ordered it. They didn't say it was coming from China, but whatever. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like. See what's in there. First of all, so this is how it came, in a DHL just envelope. So I already opened it, and it was in another just plastic bag inside of the envelope. It was just in this, so obviously not very padded, nothing really bubble wrapped or anything like that. Just this really great plastic, and that's all. Whatever. So, alright, so this is the box. At least the box looks nice. And let's see, how do we get it open? So let me readjust the camera here, and we're going to try this and see if we can get it to open. All right. So it looks like it just, so right here, Mirabox HSV321. Cool. And that's what it looks like. Let me get a little closer. Okay, let's pull it out. HD video capture USB 3.0. Well, at first glance, it looks nice. It's in an all aluminum box, which is good. USB 3, and then the input. And then you've got HDMI out. So HDMI out, HDMI in, and USB 3, which provides the power. So you can see out, USB 3, and in. Cool. Well, that looks nice. Let's see what else is in the box. There's the foam insert. So it looks like we've got a nice USB 3 cable. And then instructions. All right, cool. Well, that's my first impression. Now we have to plug it in and play with it and see how it actually works. Make sure there's no damage anywhere. That was one of the things I was a little concerned about, is that there might be some damage in shipping because it was not really protected at all. So if anybody's interested, that's what it looks like when you get it. And you can kind of see it's not, I mean, it's not too big. Here's the USB cable. So you can kind of use that as a comparison. You know, it's not huge. It's a pretty skinny box. It's about an inch wide by maybe 6 inches, 5.5 inches long. So that's a really good one. I like it. Okay. Well, I'll be playing with this in the next few days, next day or so, I would imagine, and I will post an update and let everybody know how it's going and how it works, what the video quality looks like, and hopefully I can start broadcasting a few of my Xbox or PlayStation games, and we'll get to see firsthand just how good it is. All right. As ever, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. And thanks everybody, and have a great day.